Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wix Editor, edit website content online step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Wix website by typing www.wix.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click the login button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter the email address associated with your Wix account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. On the dashboard, find the site you wish to edit. Click the Edit Site button next to the chosen site. This will open the Wix editor, where you can make changes to your website. Explore the various editing options available in the left-hand menu. Select the elements you want to edit, such as text, images, or layouts. Make your desired changes directly on the page. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click the Publish button at the top right corner to save your changes. Your updated website will now be live for visitors to see. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.